Hey guys, good morning. So the SPY just sold off like crazy right now. And the thing is, it actually retested previous trend almost perfectly. So it actually tested trend perfectly for a couple of days, couple of hours, and then you just see a complete sell-off today. With this much bear momentum, I can easily see the SPY down at 425. I don't have a specific time frame right now, but it does look like it's going to be closing a bear day or a bearish day. And on average, you do see about a week or so, maybe half a week of bear momentum. So keep in mind, you might see the pain probably just started. Keep in mind that 425 on SPY is definitely possible within the next 2 weeks or so. So if this momentum keeps up, I would not be surprised to see the S&P 500 drop to 425, and then in which case you actually see Bitcoin drop even further down to something like a 36K, possibly lower. So this is definitely not looking good for the market at all. And with the monthly on the SPY closing bearish, that's definitely an even more concerning factor. So just be very careful.